What's up guys, today this is just a short little video about the new exhaust system I got for my ND Miata. I had a straight pipe for a while. I showed it in one of my last videos. It was some janky looking thing that me and my buddy put together just because I wanted a little more volume. I finally came upon a good deal for an axleback exhaust. Because this Miata is so new, the exhausts are still kind of expensive, that, you know, new car tax, whatever you want to call it. So an axleback is like 500 plus shipped to my door, and I finally came upon a used one. I think it cost, I paid $250 shipped for it from a member on the ND forums. So I ended up going with the Roadster Sport Race from Goodwin Racing. I'm just gonna give a quick overview of this exhaust. So it is a simple axleback with a Helmholtz chamber right here, and then out of, well, so it's a straight pipe design actually. So yeah, so if you see, it's a straight pipe design, but it has a little Helmholtz chamber. So instead of like the resonator or the muffler being in line with the straight pipe, it's almost like its own section. And what this does is all the sound waves bounce around in here, and they cancel each other out at certain frequencies. And for a straight pipe design, what this does is cancel out the drone. So the frequencies of the noise that create drone, that's what the Helmholtz chamber eliminates. So it's a really nice exhaust. I mean, these welds are really nice, you know. It's all stainless. It's even got this little engraving here, it says Roadster Sport. So it's a single tip design. I thought I would like a single tip better on the Miata, but after putting the exhaust on, I kind of wish like I got a dual tip exhaust. But other than that, that's really my only complaint about the exhaust. It sounds amazing. Yeah, so with the muffler delete, it sounded good, but it droned a lot on the highway. If you were cruising at 3,000 RPMs, it droned. If you engine braked, it droned like a lot. With the top down, it was annoying. With the top up, you could still hear it, to the point where I had to turn my music up a little bit just to drown it out, and I could still hear it over my music. So luckily, I've already installed the exhaust. I've already taken it on a highway cruise or two. I literally cannot hear it on the highway at all. Like, it's very faint. I have to actively listen for it, which is perfect. But then as soon as you go wide open throttle, you hear all the noises, all the good noises, the exhaust noises. So it's really exactly what I want out of an exhaust, and it matches Goodwin Racing's description on their website. I'm really happy with this exhaust. I'm really happy with my decision to get it. So without further ado, here's some sound clips of it. I'll have a cold start, cruising, engine braking, downshifting, you know, rev matching, etc., etc., etc.